Hey everyone, it's Kira here, and I'm going to be showing you how to import your Roblox avatar into Funimate. So what you're going to need is the Roblox app on a PC, and you're going to need to download Creator Studio and the plugin, which I will show you now and how to get it. So basically what the Roblox import does is imports any avatar of your choice, where you can create 3D transitions, proving that this is the real 3D, as well as being able to rotate. So I'm going to show you how to do it now. So have a look. Okay, so now that we're on the PC and we're on Roblox, what you're going to do is click Create. Then what you're going to do is click Start Creating. And then you're going to have to download Roblox Studio. And then it might take a while to load, whether it needs upgrading or whether it just needs to start, but it will take you to this screen. What you're going to click is just anything. I'm going to click Classic Base Plate, and then it's going to take you to the parts where you edit or create Roblox games. So what you're going to have to do is click Plugins, Manage Plugins, Add, and then you must create your avatar importer. So if you just type importer, search, and then there should be a free one here. And then install. Once installed, go out, click X, and then click Avatar Importer at the top. What you do now is you type in any Roblox username. Here's mine. And then you can import in either R6 or R15. I'm just going to import in R6. And here is my avatar. So now you might wonder, how do you get this in the Funimate app? So what you're going to do is click it, and it will be highlighted to the side here. Then what you're going to do is either control click or right click, scroll all the way down to export selection and click it. Then what you're going to do is save it to your folders, and then it will go to your desktop, which I will show you now. So now that you have saved it to where you like, I just saved it to my desktop. What you're going to do is highlight all three. So if you've seen how OBJs work, you can import just an OBJ, but we want the actual material as well. So what you're going to do is highlight all three, control, and compress. Make them a zip folder. And then rename it. I'm just going to call it Kiri Edits Zip. And then what you're going to do is send it to your phone, like either through AirDrop or however. And then from there, I'm going to show you how to import it from Funimate. So now I've AirDropped the zip file to my phone. Now that we're back in a 3D scene, I'm going to click Layer, 3D Model, Import, scroll until I found Kiri Edits Zip, and my avatar is already in the composition. So you can see that it does move a bit further, but that's an easy fix. All you can do is anchor until the red dot is in the middle and down. And then you can rotate it normally, like this. So now you can position it anywhere, add other 3D models, make a city, and that's how you import your Roblox avatar into Funimate. So I hope this helps, and can't wait to see all of your Roblox edits. Thanks for watching.